Today I show you how to make the app icons smaller on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone so that you can fit more apps on the home screen. Here I have the home screen of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and you see there is a lot of space between the icons. So I don't have many icons here actually that I can use. And then also I have this clock here, so it's mostly 3 rows. It's 3 rows by 4 columns. So and okay, this one I don't count it. You can change the grid size on your phone to increase it so you can have more rows or more columns. You long press somewhere in the empty area of your screen and then look here for settings. Now you're in the home screen settings, and you see you can choose the home layout. You can choose either to have a home and then an app drawer. The app drawer is this thing when you swipe up to see the apps, and you can add them from here to the home screen. And you can also have the home screen only, which I don't prefer. I prefer it like this. And then you have these settings: the home screen grid and the app screen grid and folder grid. So here you have the home screen grid is the spacing. The home screen grid is the spacing between the apps on your home screen. So it's actually how many rows and how many columns you have of apps. And now this is at 4 and 5. If I change it to 5 rows and 5 columns, you will see that there is already one column there ready, and I could make it even smaller to do it like this, 5 and 6. And now you see it's like getting extra resolution on your phone. The icons are a little bit smaller, but you have more space, so you can add more things here. I believe it's up to you how you prefer it. I believe it's good to have the app icons a little bit smaller, not too large. So maybe 5 and 5 to gain 1 row here. Maybe like this, I'm not sure. And you can also, so this is the app drawer, and the apps are very large here. This is a separate setting, again going into settings. And here I have the app screen grid, and I can choose to make it also, this is the smallest size. I could choose the biggest so I can see them easier. The 5 by 6 and 5 by 5. Maybe I will choose for the home screen also 5 by 6. And this way I gained 1 column and 1 row for more apps, maybe even 2 rows here. Let's see. No, it's 1 row, so I can move apps around. I can add new apps here to use the space. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get more space on your home screen.